Hi guys, I've just resurrected this car from my stock. Used it as a rubber band powered car, but most recently I've used it as a flat spring powered car. First of all, I used a hacksaw blade as the flat spring. That's slotted into there, need two hands. And then that's our storing the power in it, bending it, and a bit of cotton from the end of there to the back axle. So that worked fine. Then I used this 24-inch steel ruler. Same thing. That's slotted into that one and bent over. And oddly enough, that had less power than that one. This is sort of too loose and floppy, whereas that one is quite springy. Anyway, why are we looking at it again? Well, it's Christmas time, and Poundland are selling these wreath hangers. They hang over your front door, and you hang a wreath on there. But of course, I noticed they were springy. So I thought we'd see if we could do the same thing with these. I could flatten it out and jam it in there, and that would work. But of course, I got a 3D printer. So I printed myself a two-piece section, which will slide along those tubes. And in theory, in my theory, that'll fit on there. That'll fit on there. I might wrap a bit of tape around it just to make sure it doesn't spring apart. But there we go. So I'll do that. I'll fit this on there and we'll see if it works. Just in case you haven't seen the previous videos, this is all designed to pull apart. There we go. And these will slide on there. I'll do that. Right, keeping it simple, I've just taped a bit of cotton. This is actually kite string, which is fairly strong. Just taped it onto there. So that hooks on back there. That looks to me like that ought to work. So we'll put it on the floor and test it. Okay. Off we go. Well, that works. Right, let's see if we can hit the camera. So there we go, complete success using a Poundland Wreath Hanger. That's our spring. So check the video description for the previous versions of this car. It's been spring powered and rubber band powered. It's a couple of fiberglass rods, CDs for the wheels or DVDs, bicycle spokes for the axles, 3D printed hubs for the CDs, and 3D printed brackets, or whatever you want to call them, spacers, cross members, chassis parts. Anyway, it works. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.